Good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with the new topic under block 16, our soil resource. So the topic of our discussion for today is soil conservation. Alright, so this is our topic of discussion for today. Aim for our class for today is students will be able to identify the methods for soil conservation. Resources required is your worksheet S4, your exit content book, your notebook. Keywords for today is conservation. Okay, so what is the meaning of the keywords conservation? Conservation means the act of preserving, guarding, or protecting, or wise use of natural resources. They are known as conservation. Okay, so alright, let me ask you a question. Okay, what would happen if there was no soil and only hard rocky surface everywhere? Alright, what do you think will happen if there was no soil at all and there is only hard rocky surface everywhere? Alright, for that I'll leave it on to you, okay? So I want all of you to just think and then alright, you can write your answer in your notebook, right? For that purpose. So I want all of you to read the section the soil conservation. Alright, soil conservation. So these are how soil conservation takes place. Okay, figure 1 is planting trees, figure 2 is terrace farming, ranicate, and the last one is contour farming on the way to Mosori. Alright, contour farming. Now I'll read for you. Okay, you can even go through from your textbook. Alright, you'll find in page number 47. Okay, so what is soil conservation? First of all, planting trees. The roots of trees firmly hold the topsoil. As tree grows, their roots go deeper into the soil and spread into the ground, preserving soil erosion. Trees and plants also help to reduce the speed of running water. That is, planting trees. Terrace farming. Terraces are made in the form of large step on hill slope to prevent the soil from getting washed away by running water. What is contour plugging? This method of cultivation is done on the contour lines of a hill. In this method, the steps are formed on the contour line of a hill based on the height of the hill. And what is crop rotation? In this method of cultivation, different crops are grown in the same field in rotation to retain the fertility of the soil. If the same crop is cultivated repeatedly, the soil tends to lose its fertility. Alright, so you can also go through the glossary, okay, the keywords. What is course, what is contour, what is erosion, fertile, rotation. Alright, so this I'm not going to read for you. I want all of you to read your textbook from yourself. Alright, so based on our reading, alright, based on what I have read for you, you can even open your textbook, see the you can observe the given picture and then read the following points that I have read for you, okay, one by one, and try to understand. Alright, so what is terrace farming and what is uh, contour plugging and what is crop rotation? How does terrace farming help in soil erosion conservation? And how does contour plugging help in soil conservation? And how does crop rotation help in soil conservation? Alright, very simple, okay, from my reading. Alright, I think today's topic is the easiest one. So please listen carefully. See, terrace farming, it is done on the mountain slope. Alright, that is by making step like structure to grow crops. That is very common in our area, alright, under Kohima district, okay. And I'm sure you have seen a terrace cultivation, okay. And specifically, contour plugin is very similar to terrace farming, alright. But here in contour plugin, the steps are formed following the elevation lines, alright, and these methods do not let the water flow down the slope, alright. So under crop rotation is the method when different crops they are grown in the field, alright, in rotation, that is one after the other. This method maintains the fertility and nutrient level of the soil, okay. Alright, which method is used to conserve soil in the mountains? And which method is used to conserve soil in the plains? Or both? Why do we have different ways of soil conservation, and why should we conserve soil? Alright, I'll repeat the question once again. Which method is used to conserve soil in the mountains? Which method is used to conserve soil in the plains? Or both? And why do we have different ways of soil conservation, and why should we conserve soil? Okay, see, to summarize your answer, terrace farming and contour plugin, they are practiced on the mountains, okay. So crop rotation is mostly practiced in the plain area, alright. And planting trees is the common method which suits all types of physical features. Okay, so listen, okay. Terrace farming and contour plugin are practiced on the mountain, whereas crop rotation is mostly practiced in the plains. And planting trees is the common method which suit all type of physical features. Alright. So the last question, how can we contribute in conserving soil? What can you do to contribute to conserve soil? Alright, very simple. I hope you know the answer as well, okay? So we should plant more trees, and we should not cut the trees, okay. That is to conserve soil, because the roots of the trees, they hold the soil together, all right. So we should plant more trees, and we should not cut trees, that is to prevent or to conserve soil, okay. So that is for our class for today. Now, things to do, you have to complete your practice question number 8, all right. Practice question number 8. Why should we conserve soil, and what can we do to conserve soil? Alright, along with your worksheet S4. Why is soil important to us? Give one reason. Suggest method to conserve the soil of the mountains and plant. And do you think that the place shown in the picture is affected by soil erosion? Suggest way to conserve the soil in this area. Alright, so this is your work for today, okay. So you please do along with practice question number 8. Alright, so thank you, take care, and have a nice day.